Hello students, welcome to online English class. Today we shall discuss the use of some words both in noun and adjective. Similarly, we will discuss some certain words in both noun and verb form. It is session 5 of vocabulary B of the topic Biju Patnaik and his Dakotas. It is 8th class English. Now let us discuss. First we have to use certain words both in noun and adjective. The first word bravery. Bravery. In the noun form it is bravery. He rewarded for his bravery. That means for his here bravery. In the noun form it is bravery. That means it is the braveness. Then in the adjective form it will be brave. He was a brave man. Here brave means is a quality. He was a brave man. Then the word courage. In the noun form it is courage. Biju Patnaik had extraordinary courage. In the adjective form courage changed to courageous. Biju Patnaik was a courageous man. Then memory. The word memory. In the noun form it is memory. He has a sharp memory. That means he remembers a lot. So it is called he has a sharp memory. Then in the adjective form memory changes to memorable. 15th August is a memorable day for us because on 15th August we got our freedom. We got long expected freedom. We came under the British rule for 200 years. On 15th August 1947 we got our freedom. It was a long awaited and long expected day for us. So 15th August is a memorable day for us. In this day we do many cultural things for our forefathers who got the freedom. So 15th August is a memorable day for us. Then the word adventure. Here adventure in the noun form. The adventure Dr. Livingstone will be remembered for his adventure in Africa. Here adventure means the daring things is called adventure. Dr. Livingstone, for better information, Dr. Livingstone explored Africa. So it is told Dr. Livingstone will be remembered for his adventure in Africa. Then in the adjective it is adventurous. Srijukta Narendra Modi has done many adventurous reforms. Srijukta Narendra Modi is our present Prime Minister. He has done many adventurous reforms. That means he abolished the triple talaq and 370 rule in Kashmir and etc. So it is properly said that Srijukta Narendra Modi has done many adventurous reforms. Then there we have given some words were given to us. We have to use the words both in verb and noun. First word order is verb form. Biju ordered the ground staff. Here means Biju commanded Here ordered means commanded the ground staff. Then order in the noun form, the ground staff carried out the order of Biju. Then research in the noun form, research means Mr. Dhir did the research, and in the verb form research, Mr. Dhir researched on Biju. Then experience in the noun form, Biju told Mr. Dhir about his experience, that means about his past things, how he suffered, how he succeed, these are experience. Then experience in the verb form, Biju experienced a lot. Another use of verb form in experience is I have experienced many ups and downs, that means I have come across many ups and downs. Then the word soil in the noun form, Bhumiputra means son of the soil. Then in the verb form, soil means don't soil your hand. Here in the verb form, soil means make dirty. Don't make dirty your hand. Then test in the verb form, Biju tested the liquid and took off. Then in the noun form test, the leaking thing has no taste at all. Another use of taste in a noun form is this curry tastes sweet or this curry tastes bitter. Then repair in the verb form, Biju repaired the Dakota before taking off. That means here repaired means he sort out all the problems of Dakota and before taking off. Then repair in the noun form, he spent some money on repairing for the better running of his vehicle, or his vehicle he spent some money on repairing. Then supply in the verb form, supply means Biju supplied necessary things to the soldiers. Then in the noun form, supply is used, this supply of food were of great help to Indian soldiers. Then honor